Personal conveyance. What is it? What are the rules? And what are some things you can do as a trucker or someone in the CDL industry to not be given violations because of personal conveyance? My name is Cole. I'm a state DOT cop, and today the topic of discussion, the hot topic, is going to be personal conveyance. I'm going to break it down step by step to you so that you know how to use personal conveyance and you won't get any violations, you won't get in trouble, and you'll overall have a better understanding of what it is. Now, before we really jump into things here, I just want to say that personal conveyance is something that has been a topic of discussion for quite some time, and it seems like everybody has a different opinion on it, including us. But in this video, I'm going to break it down without opinions and just how it is on paper by regulation and statute. And I also have a list of things that you can do that will help you greatly to understand it and to implement PC properly. Let's go. So what is personal conveyance? PC, or personal conveyance, is using your commercial motor vehicle or the company's commercial motor vehicle for personal duties while you are off duty. I'll say that again, while you are off duty. According to FMCSA 395.8, your job should be releasing you fully from your duties when you are using PC. According to FMCSA 395.8, that means that your carrier or you release yourself fully from work while using PC. So no hauling and no preparing or anything like that. Nothing to do with work. Just some things to keep in mind before we really dive into it. PC, when being used, you should be off duty. You should not be on duty and you should not be in driving. And also keep in mind, you can use PC with or without a load. If you've learned any value so far from this video, go ahead and click that like and subscribe button because I drop weekly videos about trucking, about CDL rules, about DOT rules, and just overall how to help you get cleaner inspections and to keep you rolling safe. Back to it. So here are a few valid ways or uses that you can use PC that would be fully legit. You can use it to either go to the gym, you can use it to go from a drop lot to go home, you can use it to go get some rest. You can even use it if you want to go grocery shopping. So those are just a few things that are fully legit for if you want to use PC. Almost forgot to mention, you can also use it at the discretion if a police officer is telling you to move somewhere, right? If a cop is telling you to go somewhere to a certain spot or to do this or that, you can also use PC for that as well. Here's a crazy stat. Over 40% of drivers have misused PC, or they are currently misusing PC right now. That stat is absolutely crazy, and I really don't blame the drivers because PC can be confusing, and everybody, like I said earlier, seems to have a different reasoning on how PC works, including us. So for that reason, CVSA is actually pushing on FMCSA to cap PC, to cap it, period. Cap it at 2 hours. So here's where it gets dangerous. FMCSA gives us a clear distinction on what personal conveyance cannot be used for, but the wording is very ambiguous when it comes to what can we use PC for and how exactly drivers should be using it. So here are some key illegal uses of PC that you should know, and maybe some of y'all have done. I'm just saying. You cannot bypass available parking in order to drive closer to a pickup or drop-off location. You can't do that using PC. You can't use PC to go after a new load, and you cannot use PC to head to a terminal. And you cannot use PC to drive with cargo for repositioning or for preventative maintenance. So like mentioned earlier, CVSA has tried twice from 2020 to 2022 to get FMCSA to put a cap, for FMCSA to add a time limit to PC and to add a mileage limit to PC as well. So people aren't, unlimited PCing, driving all over the place for unlimited time. The misuse stats of PC are rising and have been steadily climbing over the years, but I don't think it's because you drivers want to try to, game the system necessarily. People straight up don't understand it. They're confused and they're not sure how, why, or when they can use it. I want to repeat this and make it clear. If you misuse PC, it can lead to the violation code 395.8E1. So make sure you understand that violation. Make sure you understand how to use PC. Some companies are actually pretty strict with PC. Some companies don't even allow PC. So check up with your company as well. And if you're out there wondering, well, why does it even matter if I misuse PC? Is it that much of a big deal? I'm here to tell you it's a very big deal, and it can negatively affect your CSA score. It pulls your basic scores down. Let's face it, PC is misused all the time, and a lot of times, or sometimes should I say, some people do it on purpose. Some people know what it is, know how to use it, and they try to game the system. So here's just a personal tip for you. If you use PC, track it. I'm not just saying in your ELD, but I know a lot of people write it down. They'll write down how many hours or whatever, how many minutes they went to eat or whatever the case may be. Write it down, track your PC. If CVSA gets its way, personal conveyance will be time capped. That could be good, or that can be bad for some people, but at the same time, there will be no more confusion about how long PC can be for. So right now, I'm gonna tell you how you can use PC the right way and not get in trouble and not get violations, so pay attention. Here's how to do PC safely and legally. 1, make sure you log is off duty, never on duty for PC, so make sure your log is off duty. 2 is gonna be ask yourself, is this purely personal? Is this just for me? Before you do PC and think of any task. 3, use it only after you're completely off the clock, and I mean it. 4, keep your distance reasonable. And you know what I mean. Don't be doing PC for 400 miles. Keep your distance reasonable. 5, check your company's policy. Like I mentioned earlier, some companies are stricter than others. Some don't even allow it. So check with them first. And 6, avoid using PC after your hours of service clock has expired, because that can be labeled as misuse. That list I just gave you will keep you out of trouble. And in the end of all this, just be smart, because ELDs may not always catch misuse, but some inspectors, not all, but some, are really good at catching when people are lying about how they use their PC. So I just want to help y'all stay out of trouble. That's all this is. So here's the bottom line. Personal conveyance is meant and made for just convenience and safety. It's not meant to keep you moving and keep you driving for longer periods of time. If you learned anything new from this video, go ahead, hit that like, subscribe button, drop a comment below telling me about your experiences with PC. Until the next video, stay safe, keep rolling.